What's up everybody, my name is Reggie Cox, Master Detailer of Labocosmetica, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about SIDERO. SIDERO by Labocosmetica, our answer to decontamination of ferrous residues. However, as you could expect from us, we do not stop there. So we made sure to put an angle in there that nobody else does. The double action inside ensures that you can also get rid of the mineral deposits in the limescale that is stuck on your rim, one of the parts where it's most stubborn of them all. The product is highly concentrated yet safe for every single surface and safe for every previous layer of protection. The dilutions you like to use is pure up to 1 to 4 as a maximum. Maximum 1 to 4 because that's the maintenance cycle you can use when you do not have that much contamination. How the product used, we will see. Its viscosity is very high, so the gel will make sure that the product sticks to the surface, ensuring a long working time, making it easy for rinsing off. The bonus about this product is you do not need physical agitation or abrasion with any tool necessary. The product is strong and powerful enough to delicately even clean the most high gloss black rims. As you are used from us, also this product is VDA certified. That means that in any condition while you are using this product, even when it starts to dry, because we choose the best raw materials to prevent any issues after hand, it's very easy to rinse off. And if you want to reactivate the product because you're working in direct sunlight, just spray on a little bit of water to reactivate the enzyme that's working for you and making decontamination perfect. To summarize, SIDERO by Labocosmetica, the full body and wheel decontaminant deionizing with double action and limescale. As you can see back in the video, don't expect every time to find limescale. If you see the dark green, golden like color change, that is your key to find limescale. You don't have to reapply product. Enjoy the amount of viscosity, the way the product is working for you on the surface without any physical abrasion. My name is Reggie Cox. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.